Mastering Grammar and Vocabulary for A2 Key, KET. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the essentials of grammar and vocabulary you need for the A2 Key, KET, exam. Getting these basics right will set a strong foundation for your test preparation. Let's get started. At the A2 level, there are certain grammar concepts you should be familiar with. 1. Present simple and present continuous. Understand the difference between general truths, present simple, and actions happening right now, present continuous. 2. Present simple. She reads books. 3. Present continuous. She is reading a book now. 4. Past simple. This tense is used for actions that happened and finished in the past. 5. He visited France last year. 6. Modal verbs. Words like can, should, must, that express ability, advice, and obligation. 7. She can swim. 8. Comparatives and superlatives. Learn how to compare two things or more than two things. 9. Big, bigger, the biggest. 10. There is, there are. Talk about the existence of something. 11. There is a cat on the roof. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these structures in different contexts. Vocabulary is equally crucial for your A2 Key exam. Here are some key areas to focus on. 1. Daily routines. Words related to everyday activities, like brushing, eating, sleeping, etc. 2. Family and friends. Understand and use vocabulary related to relationships, like mother, cousin, best friend. 3. Hobbies and interests. Words that describe what people like to do in their free time, e.g., painting, hiking, cooking. 4. Places in town. Familiarize yourself with places like library, restaurant, park, and museum. 5. Transport. Words related to different modes of transportation, like bus, train, bicycle. Keep a diary or flashcards to regularly review and expand your vocabulary. It's also a great idea to use new words in sentences to reinforce your understanding. To master grammar and vocabulary. 1. Consistent practice. Set aside time daily for grammar exercises and vocabulary drills. 2. Engage with English. Read children's books, watch cartoons or simple English series. They often use a 2-level vocabulary and grammar. 3. Interactive learning. Play English board games or use language learning apps that cater to A2-level learners. 4. Peer practice. Team up with a study buddy. Practice speaking and correct each other's grammar. And that wraps up our guide to mastering grammar and vocabulary for the A2 Key, KET, exam. With dedication and consistent practice, you'll not only ace your exam but also enrich your English language journey. Remember, every word you learn and every grammar rule you understand takes you one step closer to fluency. Happy learning!